Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually refer people and how you can win this mega prize worth $10,697. Now, first things first, right? The grand prize winner is actually going to get something which is like mind blowing and which has never been given in the Flexi Funnels history, right? So the first winner, the grand prize winner, is actually going to get Flexi Funnels premium access, that is around $697. Plus they will also get a personalized one-to-one consultation call with Mr. Saurabh. Now this is something that actually changed the entire game, because this is something we have never done before, and this can literally change the game. Because when Saurabh guides people, the kind of results that people generate are like insane, right? So you are going to get a chance to actually get on a call with him very when, right? And this is exclusive. People do not get the access even when they are ready to pay. They have to be qualified enough. So right, you have the chance to get this complete guidance. Plus, Mr. Saurabh will himself give the plan to his team, and on the basis of that they will create your funnel. Imagine the power of it, like the 9-figure team building your funnel, right? And even if the person you refer wins, you also win. So this is like an insane deal that has happened, right? So make sure you make the best out of it, right? So what you need to do is you need to basically fill your details, and of course I've given some random entries over here. But once you click, you will land on the thank you page, and you would be able to see these two things. First is the video, right? Make sure you watch this complete video and join the community, and at the same time you will get to your dashboard. So you will directly be logged in to your dashboard. Now where will you find your unique referral link that you need to share? Once you scroll this a little bit, this is where your unique referral link is, and you need to copy it and you need to start sharing everywhere, right? Make sure that you share like to your friends, to your family members, to your people, to your colleagues who are actually interested, who would be who would love to become a part of this, and who would love to join the giveaway session as well, right? So all of them, right? The more referrals you do, the more chances of you winning this grand prize, right? So yeah, there are a few steps over here, right? You can copy the link and share. You will win 5 point. Then I have already completed this entry, but once you click, you will land on this WhatsApp page, okay, where you need to change your link. Make sure you update your link, right? And again, once you click on the Facebook button, right, you will land on this where you need to again change your referral link before sharing on Facebook. And once you click, it will directly open your Facebook and Instagram, so you don't need to do anything. Click on it, land to your Facebook, put this post, and you just need to click on this, right? Fill your let's say referral link, and you will be in, right? Apart from that, right, once you go down again, you are going to get your link, and make sure you fill this step. And if you want to 3x your chances of winning, what you need to do is, this is a special training that is there, right? This is about 15 ways to make 6-figure income using FlexiFunnels. So you just need to fill your details, you need to access that, and you need to watch that training before joining the workshop, and you would be able to get your entries 3 times. So your chances of winning becomes more, okay? But before all of that, start referring to more people. Apart from that, even if you leave this page, where will you find your details, right? So once you sign up, you will actually get this email, okay? This is the headline, you can even search. This is the email that you will get. You will actually get 4 emails, but this one is the most important, right? Register your birthday special giveaway referral dashboard access, okay? So here you will get your entire details, like you will get your contest URL, you will get your username and password, from which you can log into your dashboard. Alright, so what you need to do is, if you want to get your referral link in case you have missed it anywhere, click on this, and you need to click on sign in. Let me just load. Yeah, so you need to click on sign in, okay? You need to fill your details. In my case, my details are already filled, so I need to click on sign in. Okay, invalid credentials. Let me just fill these once again quickly. Right, so yeah, I think we are good to go, and you will again get your referral link, right? So you can copy this and you can share it with your friends, and family and anywhere. You can also see these things over here, right? Now these are there are some special rewards that you unlock as you win, right? And these rewards keep on changing and becoming better. And you can see the leaderboard over here. People are winning, right? So you can see all of that. Yeah, so this was a quick video on how to actually refer people and win prizes, and I hope to see you in the session on 22nd, and the winner will be announced inside the session only, so make sure you join that. The joining link and everything has been shared on an email as well. So looking forward to see you. Bye bye.